Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are safe and doing very well. This weekend we had heavy snow in Leeds and it lasted nearly 2 days. So in my today's video, I'll be taking you around my neighborhood and showing you the snow-filled areas and also few glimpses how we enjoyed snow. Do watch it till the end, you'll definitely like it. I know in many parts of the world people can't enjoy this kind of snow, especially in the warmer countries, so it's a totally different experience for them. Most of our family and friends who live in warmer countries wanted to actually see this kind of snow videos. They requested us to share the snow footage and also Aryan enjoying in the snow. So it's for all you guys over there. Enjoy the snow and experience it. Since it was snowing continuously from the previous night, the snow actually got built a few inches, so you could literally feel the snow. We all were actually making some snowballs and throwing on each other and playing around. It was very cold, it was almost freezing. I think it was -1 or 2 degrees centigrade that day. So hardly 20 to 30 minutes we played out in the snow and we enjoyed a lot. In between these fun-filled moments, I managed to take few selfies. I'm not very good in taking these selfies, especially with hand, but somehow I managed to get few. Aryan was super excited because he was seeing this kind of snow after 3 long years, so he wanted to play some more time in the snow. After this, Jose went for a small walk. I'll be sharing even his snow walk videos. In the meanwhile, I finished my cooking. I made some puris, potato curry, and also mussel fry. These are few glimpses from the snow walk. As you can see, everywhere it's filled with snow. Especially the aerial views, you can see the rooftops and everything covered with snow. So beautiful it is. As you can see, some of the roads were blocked and people had to return back. It's quite challenging to drive during the snow. In between, it's quite common to find cars like this stuck in snow here, but it's really challenging to get them out. I hope you liked watching our today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. And feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another vlog.